Welcome back! I'm glad you're joining us for part 2 of our PDF accessibility deep dive. If you're following along, you know that making documents inclusive can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Today I'm going to walk you through a few more advanced PDF fixes using YuJa Panorama to ensure your content is ready for everyone. Text that falls below the recommended minimum size, typically 12 points or 16 pixels, making it difficult for users with visual impairments to read. Readability is the foundation of accessibility. Small text increases eye strain and can be completely illegible for users with low vision or those using mobile devices. Open the Panorama Accessibility Report for your document, locate the font size issue in the accessibility list, use the remediation engine or the inline editor to select the affected text and increase the size to at least 12 points for documents or 16 pixels for web content. Thanks for joining part 2 of our PDF deep dive. Every fix you make with YuJa Panorama creates a more inclusive experience for everyone. Stay tuned for our next video. See you there!